Hi everyone, welcome to Stats. Welcome to Elementary Statistics. I wanted to go over, just make a brief orientation on how to get started in the course. The first thing you're going to see when you log in is this. You're going to see the Start Here. This is the Start Here tab. I have my information. I have my name, where my office is located, although remember that we are not in our offices at this time, so you will probably not find me there. But I'll try to make myself as available as possible. There's my office number. Don't use that either. I will not be there, but if you leave a message, I will always call you back. My email address, I'm really good about answering that, but I'll show you how to communicate, the fastest way to communicate with me as we go through this video. My office hours will be Monday through Fridays from 4 to 5, and I will be available live through the Pronto app, and I'm going to talk about all of that next. So as you start here, on the Start Here, I did like to do a to-do list of the things you have to do first. So the first thing, the first day, as you log in, I need you to do all of this the first day. And I'll probably change this to first day to-do list. Read the syllabus. If you click here, you will find our syllabus and you will find all the information you need of everything I have. Again, my contact information, I have the outcomes, I have my grading criteria, and you'll see here the things that are required and what each thing means. I have details on the due date and what all of that entitles. I'll let you read all of that on your own. The book, and I have the required materials here. See, I have the book as optional, but you do need to buy my MATLAB, and you do need a TI-83 or 84 calculator. And that's because in this class, there's a lot of things that I'm going to be using the calculator for. So I will tell you, just plug it in your calculator. Interpret the problem and plug it in your calculator. So you do need that. It is required. You also need a computer with reliable internet. This is an online class, which means you need internet and you're going to need a web camera. Because for the midterm and final, you do need to be recorded when you're taking your test to make sure that no notes or bugs are being used. So you do need to have some web camera. Many laptops already have a camera built in, or if you purchase one, some of them are not very expensive. So you have the required resources, you have the topics we're gonna cover. If you're pregnant, you need to let me know as soon as possible, all the details about the Veterans Office and all of that. I have a class schedule of the things that are gonna be due when. The late work policy. I do accept work late. The only thing I will not accept late is discussions. Discussions are meant for you to talk to each other, to get to know each other, to know what everybody's dealing with. When you turn them in late, that doesn't happen anymore because they're not going to see your post. Your post is going to be there late. You reply to your classmates, but they may not answer. So I do not accept discussions late. Everything else is up for discussion. We can deal with that. I know summer goes by really fast, and I will definitely work with you if you don't have time to finish something. Make sure you read through all of this, even though I'm just briefly touching on some points. You need to read over the whole thing. Once you finish that, I'm going to have an orientation video, and that's this one right here. You're watching it. So I will link it here. I haven't linked it yet because I'm working on it. The next thing is to download Pronto. I would really like I would like for you to have it on your phone. If you don't have it on your phone, I do have it on the computer, so you have it here. And you can click here and we can also talk. But when you have it on your phone, it's really easy to communicate with me because if you have a question, you can take a picture of the screen, send it to me through Pronto and say, Miss, I have this question. I don't know how to work on it. Can you help me? And I can definitely do that for you. I have all the details on how to download it to your phone here. Either how to find the email because there's an email associated with it. It's going to be the STC email. How to download it if you have an Android phone. How do you download it if you have an iPhone. And if I click on my Pronto chat here, mine is already, when you click on a computer, it's already linked. It's only for your phone that you have to link it. Here, it's already linked. So what it's doing is creating the Pronto assignment. So Let's give it a minute and maybe we'll try to come back before we leave. Okay. And go back to start here. So you read your syllabus, you went through this video, you downloaded uPronto to your phone or know how to access it. Like I said, you will have it here. The next thing is to register for MyMathLab. This course requires that you use MyMathLab for homework and quizzes, so you do need to purchase it. I have a link here on a video on how to do it, and I have the instructions here. But the easiest way to do it, you see the MyMathLab here. You click on the link here. You click on any, I'm not sure how much of this is going to look like yours. I think you would see these for sure. This is mine only teachers. But you will see this for sure. You click on any of these links that you see, and it will take you to the registration page. So that's the easiest way to do it. Just click on MyMathLab, click on any of the links here, and it will take you to the registration page. Okay, so once you do all of this, you read the syllabus, you went through this video, you downloaded the Pronto app, you have MyMathLab already registered for the course, then you're pretty much ready to start. So once you're ready to start, you can go to course content. You see the course content tab here. And I have a lot of the same information just in case you missed it the first time, like how to download Pronto, done. How to register for MyMathLab, done. SDC is doing most of its tutoring online now because of the virus. So if you click here on this link, it will take you to the SDC tutoring page. You can click here if you have any questions, and you can have a live session with one of the tutors. The next thing you will find is the class schedule. So this has all the due dates, just like on the syllabus, but I wanted you to have just the schedule because I know a lot of you would like to print it out and know exactly what you're doing. The formulas. There's a lot of formulas for this class, especially this one. So if you cannot print all of them at once, print the formulas by chapter. And then we can print the other ones as we go through. But at least this ones you want to have them available at the beginning. Once you do all of that, then you go to chapter 1. And I have another to-do list because now you're ready to start the class. Now you're going to see another to-do list here. You're going to find the first thing is the discussion. That's the first thing you want to get done. So when you click on the discussion, I have the steps. You're going to click on create thread. And then you see all the questions. Everything you need to answer, and you will answer it here. Once you're done, you click submit, and you are ready with that discussion. Discussion is done. Now, the next thing you're going to see is the reading PowerPoints notes. I will be uploading some notes. I don't have them yet because I'm probably going to upload them tomorrow for you, but I'll have them by the first day. So if you're looking at this now, you will see them, an extra link there for notes. I have the sections in the book and the page numbers. This book is very helpful if you say, Miss, you didn't require the book. What do you mean? Well, MyMathLab has the book. So once you order MyMathLab, you will have access to this link. And it will take you to the book. It takes a minute because my internet is slow. I'm doing this really late at night. So MyMathLab comes with an ebook. That's why I don't require the book. This is a very helpful book. Everything that I do is very attached to the book. So if you want to read those pages, it could be very, very helpful. Everything aligns to the PowerPoints, to the videos, and even to the notes that I will post there later on. What happens when you're going to click on the book, it doesn't give you a page. It just gives you the first thing going on here. So that's why I gave you the pages here. You can just say, okay, I want to read 1.1. So you go to page set 2. And you see 1.1 and you see the section. So it's easier for you to just go in there, put the page number. It takes you right to the section that you want to read. Okay. So there's page numbers from the book. I also put a lecture video from the publisher. It's not mine, but it's from the publisher. It's a good review video, and I have a PowerPoint video, a PowerPoint lecture that you can also look over. And then some sections will have their own little YouTube videos for different things. Sometimes it's explanations of things that I think you may struggle with, and sometimes it's going to be calculator hints or calculator steps on how to do different things. Chapter 1 is mainly definitions, so you're not going to see a calculator videos here. So once you go over this, you can go to your homework. Each section has its own homework. Once you complete your homework, then you can go to your quiz. Work on the quiz. You will have 2 attempts for the quiz. I will keep the highest grade. So you would do that. I need to change the dates. If you look at this video right now, the dates are off. I will fix that for you before the start of the class. Now for the quizzes, I do require work, that you show the work. So make sure that you're showing the work for those quizzes. And I need to update this, but if you look at the syllabus, you will see that when I mean work, I mean organized work, not your scratch paper. And so make sure that you number it, that it's easy to read and follow, that I can go, okay, this is number 1, this is her problem, this is number 2. So that if I cannot follow it, you are not getting points for the work. So I'm not looking for a scratch paper, I'm looking for organized, neat work. And the way you're going to submit that is you're going to click here. And then you're going to go, I show you a picture here, so that can be, you're going to go here. You scan it either with your phone, by taking pictures. I know there's apps that do that, or on your printers. And then you would just browse computer, upload it, and you're done. You click submit, and that will give me the work. Like I said, once again, I'm repeating it again here, even though it's on your syllabus, you have to have organized work. I don't want your scratch paper. I want organized work. It has to be numbered. It has neatly written, something I can easily follow. If it's not like that, you're not getting credit. And then once you complete all of that, then you have finished with chapter 1, and you can go to chapter 2. So you go back to course content. All the chapters are going to look the same until the midterm. Now for the midterm, there's a whole bunch of other stuff we need to talk about, but I will create a different video for that, and we will have a live review session for that. So all of that, and that will be in 2 weeks, because things move really fast in summer. So that's core content. We already talked about my MATLAB. You don't really need to click on discussions because they are embedded in the module. So when you need a discussion, it will be linked on the module. If you need to send me an email, here's Blackboard messages. Now, for emails, expect a response within 24 hours. I always check them at least once a day. But if it's like a question from your homework that you have, that you're working on something, or if it's something that requires a faster response, Pronto is the way to go. If you're saying, Miss, I don't have space on my phone, I don't have internet on my phone, I don't want to use my phone, then you would go to your computer and you can link Pronto through here. Let's see if it's already working. I think it is. So you would click on the computer there. Phone is a lot more friendly, but like I said, I understand if some of you don't want to do that. You click on the computer here, and like here, I'm going to say, let me know if you got the app on your phone. Then let's put a little picture. I'm just going to put this one, has nothing to do with it, but. And this is just the easiest, fastest way to communicate with me. And then here's where you will have my grades. I will organize all of this so that it looks a little better. And then course evaluation, that doesn't come right away. Any course tools, and then collaborate. I want to do at least 2 live review sessions with you. One for the midterm and one for the final, and we will do it in Collaborate. So I will send you all the instructions for that. That's something that you don't have to worry about on today, on the first day of class. That will be something that we'll talk about later. So for right now, just know that it's there and we're gonna use it eventually. All right, that takes care of the whole orientation video. If you have any questions on anything at all, send me a message. I will send you a welcome email. You will have a welcome email on your messages that you can reply to. I already sent you a message on Pronto that you can always reply to already too. So yeah, welcome to statistics. I love statistics. I'm so happy to have you, and I really hope we have a great summer. It's gonna go super fast, so we need to be in contact. You cannot just leave it and don't do anything for a few days because it really goes super fast. So yeah, welcome. And hi, I don't know how to say goodbye because we're barely starting to know each other. So welcome to class. I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.